Hey guys, it is Dani and welcome to another video. I'm here with updates on the tropics. So we have potential tropical cyclone 16 to talk about, tropical depression number 15 located off the east coast, as well as another area of disturbed weather about to emerge off the coast of Africa that is expected to become our next tropical cyclone. So guys, if you want to know if you will be affected by either of these tropical systems, well, I'd say depression 15 or potential tropical cyclone 16, and how strong they're expected to get, please keep watching this video. And so before I go into details, please ensure to subscribe if you haven't and tap the notification bell so you know every time when I post a new video, because I will keep you guys updated on tropical cyclone activity right throughout the hurricane season. You can also follow me on Instagram. My weather account is weathergirl_Dani, and my personal account is Dani Henry Official. Okay, so first we want to go to that area of disturbed weather about to emerge off the coast of Africa. And as you are seeing, it is given a medium 40% chance of development through the next 5 days. And as of now, it is not expected to be a threat to land. But when it moves into that shaded orange region, after it passes the Cabo Verde Islands right there, that is where we could see some tropical development taking place. And this could become our next tropical cyclone. And so now we want to go ahead and look at tropical depression number 15, which is located off the east coast of the US. Okay, so as you are seeing, it is looking quite disorganized at the moment, and it really has limited time to get in shape so that it can become a tropical storm. But it is expected to still become a tropical storm, but very briefly. And fortunately, it is not expected to be moving into the US, so that is the good news. It is going to be moving away from land, so that is the very good news with this. And for the National Hurricane Center's cone of uncertainty, there we have it. So the maximum sustained winds are currently 35 miles per hour, and it is accelerating to the east-northeast at 14 miles per hour. So moving away, and so expecting that it will become a tropical storm maybe by tomorrow on Wednesday, and then it could weaken back to a depression because it is going to be moving into those cooler ocean temperatures that are going to be encouraging weakening. And then we're expecting that it could become post-tropical by sometime on Thursday, and then we could see it dissipating by the end of this week. And again, it is not going to be a threat to land. But with the potential intensity here, we have about half of our models, I'd say, agreeing that this will definitely become a tropical storm, and another half of them saying that it won't reach tropical storm status. But I think that it is possible for this to become a tropical storm, but again, that window of opportunity is closing up gradually, so it really has limited time to get in shape. And so next here we have potential tropical cyclone 16. So this is the first advisory from the National Hurricane Center, and as you are seeing, it's currently the center is located south of Jamaica at this time, and we do have some areas of shower and thunderstorms affecting the island, and there's a severe weather alert for the island, so we can expect some very inclement weather conditions throughout most of today. But the system is expected to be moving past us, and we will be out of that threat by sometime on tomorrow. And so next, for the National Hurricane Center's cone of uncertainty, so you're seeing that the sustained winds are 40 miles per hour, and those are storm force winds, but we don't have much of a defined center of circulation, and also we need more organization for this to become a tropical storm. But it is very likely that it will become a named storm. And so what you're seeing in yellow is a tropical storm watch that is in effect for the Roatan Island and the Bay Islands of Honduras, as well as the northern portion of Honduras. So those areas can expect tropical storm-like conditions, those strong winds, that heavy rainfall, maybe by the next 48 hours or so. And so this is expected to have maximum sustained winds of about 60 miles per hour. So it is going to be a strong tropical storm, quite close to being a hurricane. But again, this is not expected to become a hurricane as of now. And then we are expecting that it could dissipate after it moves over Guatemala right there. And so for the potential intensity, guys, here we have our models, most of what is available, expecting that this will become a tropical storm. One showing that it will become a category 3 major hurricane, which is certainly unlikely at this point based on how quickly it will be moving, and it will be interacting with land maybe by the next day or so, guys. So we just have to keep watching this, and if you're in areas to be affected, please take the necessary precautions and do not take any unnecessary risks as you go throughout the rest of this week. And so guys, for the sea surface temperatures, now we see that just off the east coast area right there where depression 15 is located, it's going to be accelerating into much cooler waters that are going to be encouraged this that tropical depression to be weakening. But then for that area right there in the Caribbean, going into the Central American region right there, where our potential tropical cyclone 16 is, we're expecting those ocean temperatures to be very supportive of tropical development. And as for the wind shear, the greens are showing favorable shear, the yellows neutral, and the reds unfavorable. And those reds that you see are usually the strong wind shear that tend to rip up these tropical cyclones when they form, or if they're trying to develop, it'll most likely inhibit that. So we see that in the vicinity of potential tropical cyclone 16, we have favorable shear. So that is one factor that is going to be helping this to develop. But as for depression number 15, it really has limited time, as it is going to be encountering some strong wind shear as well as those cooler ocean waters, guys. And so guys, that is really it for this update. And so if you found this video to be pretty informative, please have a thumbs up, and you can also share your thoughts in the comments or ask a question. I'll try to respond as best and as soon as I can. And just remember to always be wise. Now keep giving all the necessary updates on the tropics as time goes by.